Knee seat. This well-designed support tool for knees and ankles promises to deliver secure portable seating while squatting. Constructed with a metal frame and secured by twin nylon harnesses, the knee seat provides stability. Its lightweight build of 3.9 pounds or 1.8 kilograms makes it effortless to move about with. Knee seat's primary goal is amplifying comfort when working on your knees over extended periods. It provides comfort to your neck and back during these periods of kneeling or sitting, with the option to use either one or two at once. Conveniently designed with straps, it remains in place even when you're engaged in tasks that require regular shifting between standing and kneeling positions, allowing you to keep it on for an extended time. Quadsow, just as its name suggests, the Quadsow is a tool accessory featuring 4 blades arranged in a square pattern. It's designed to function as a user-friendly box cutter for creating square openings for things like power outlets and light switches. It comes with a degree of flexibility and features an accessory to support dust removal tools, enhancing its user-friendliness. This greatly minimizes the creation of potentially harmful dust when making square socket holes, providing protection for you and less tidying up. It's engineered with professionals in mind and intended for use on building sites. It even has the capacity to perforate through dual layers of drywall as thick as 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Not only does it guarantee flawlessly square or rectangular holes every single time, but it also executes them at a speed 4 times quicker than any substitute method, resulting in massive savings in terms of work hours, translating into financial savings for you. The Pivit serves as a versatile ladder accessory, functioning as an adaptable step, podium, and workspace. It can be situated beneath the ladder to provide balance and reduce the probability of any collapse. The clever construction enables it to boost ladder steadiness on steps, rooftops, and even inclined terrain. Additionally, it can be fixed straight onto the ladder, allowing it to fulfill various functions like a shelf for storing items on the ladder, a jack for the ladder, or a standoff. Numerous rubber fasteners prevent any potential sliding, while the anti-slip surface on top, durable polypropylene, enhances safety and stability when using ladders. It has an impressive maximum support weight of 500 pounds or 220 kilograms, surpassing the usual rating set for ladders. Debarker Pro. Refashion your chainsaw smoothly into a debarker, planer, or notcher since it can be effortlessly attached to any sawbar. This ingenious gadget is a helping hand for all your construction needs as it allows you to create holes for structures such as barns, bridges, and fences. This brilliant contraption aids in the removal of bark, filth, and remains, making it the perfect enhancement when you need to clean up cut logs. These clean logs can then be further stripped down, shaped according to preference, or put together into plywood. The operational mechanism involves a 3.8-inch or 9.5-centimeter pitch chain that powers a drum equipped with 2 planer blades, each measuring 3.25 inches or 8.3 centimeters. The design also boasts ball-bearing construction, ensuring longevity and durability of use. The pitch hopper. The pitch hopper is a detachable leveling platform designed to be fastened onto an inclined or uneven surface, providing a steady and level standing area. This unique device has a capability of bearing up to 250 pounds or 113 kilograms while itself weighing just 7 pounds or 3 kilograms. Simply pick up your pitch hopper and move freely with its intuitive handheld design. Every pitch hopper features symmetrical grip spots on both sides. It's a breeze to maneuver your featherlight but exceptionally robust wedge across the roof surface. To set the tool in place, just align the base with the roofing shingles and exert force to achieve a strong attachment. This is enabled by an exclusive blend of foam that is attached to the wedge itself. The foam underside forms an adhesive relationship with asphalt shingles once weight and friction come into play. Motorcycle stand. If you're looking for a versatile bike stand, then look no further. With this motorcycle stand, you can securely support your motorcycles on any terrain type, from unsteady concrete to rugged asphalt. Specifically designed for Ducati motorcycles, it provides steady anchorage while parked or during transportation. This unique device, armed with dual wheels on each of its side stands, streamlines the chore of moving your motorbike about, enabling forward, rearward, and lateral locomotion. The enchantment behind the system lies within its wheels design. These spherical wheels are adorned with miniature rollers that let them traverse in two axes simultaneously. The omnidirectional characteristic of this apparatus permits you not only to steer your bike virtually any way you fancy but also to navigate it into smaller, more confined niches in your garage. Adjustable ratcheting socket tool. The versatile ratchet socket instrument is a flexible multifunctional tool operating as both an all-encompassing ratchet and an adaptable wrench, not to forget its function as a clamp. The dual-use wrench featuring two different socket sizes positioned back-to-back provides a pivoting head that securely locks in place at 30-degree increments. The adjustable feature of its hand ensures easy access to bolts located at the base of pipes. Both socket sizes of 1.25 and 1 inch or 3 and 2.54 centimeters are engineered with a 12-point design, which aids the sockets in gripping and holding power for construction and pipeline tasks. The robust construction is seen in the precisely built Castile sockets. This design promises accuracy tailored for heavy-duty workloads. Furthermore, the ratchet engagement's unique structure results in fluid operation along with swift reversal actions, adding more fun while working on your projects. Foreign board bracket batter boss. Designed for a single user, it allows the positioning and modification of wooden molds, rebar, and stakes made of both wood and metal. This tool replaces the need for a batter board or frame. The unique feature of this system is how it reduces the quantity of materials traditionally required in masonry procedures, while its bracket tool shrinks both workforce size and time investment needed to position these molds. The tool offers swift yet sturdy attachments directly onto concrete form panels, making them highly suitable for use with smooth aluminum surfaces or bricks without rough textures. An added advantage is that they have secure safety lock mechanisms, ensuring pins remain firmly attached, providing an extra layer of security.